Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are back with another tutorial on how to change fonts in Instagram. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't have any inbuilt feature to change fonts, so you'll have to use some websites or apps. Today I'll be using a website and show you how to do so. You can see people writing their bio with beautiful fonts, right? And you may be curious how to do so. Let me show you how. First of all, open any web browser you're using. I'll just open Google. Now type this website fontsforinstagram.com and you'll open this website on your web browser. You can see various fonts here. You can see this box here. Here you'll have to insert your text, whatever you want to convert to into another font. I'll just write how you doing. And then you can see all these options, all these beautiful fonts, right? Now you just have to choose any fonts you like, and to copy the text you just have to simply tap on that text. Let's see, I'll just copy this, tap on this. Now go to your Instagram and then on your profile you'll see this edit profile option. Tap on that and you'll see here bio. Now all you have to do is paste the text that you copied before and press on the tick button. Yep, you have updated your bio with a beautiful font. This is it for the tutorial. Hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.